For a reaction, 2SO2 gas plus oxygen gas in equilibrium with 2SO3 gas. 1.5 mole of 1.5 mole of SO2 and 1 mole of oxygen are taken in a container of volume 2 liter. At equilibrium, watch closely, at equilibrium, the concentration of SO3 was found to be 0.35 mole per liter. Calculate the value of Kc. Now the problem is visible, I think. First, read the problem carefully, because any problem which is well stated is 90% solved. Only 10% of work is remaining. It is 90% solved when a problem is correctly stated. So always you should understand what is given and what is asked. Look here. So this is the given equilibrium reaction. 1.5 mole of SO2 is taken and 1 mole of oxygen is taken. The volume of the container is 2 liter. At equilibrium, concentration of SO3 was 0.35 mole per liter. You have to calculate the equilibrium constant. So look here. So 2SO2, the given equilibrium reaction, plus O2 gas giving 2SO3 gas. This is 1.5 mole. This is 1 mole. Initially, this is 0 mole. But all these things are present in 2 liter vessel. So the concentration is, it is 0.75. It is 0.5 per liter, and initially it is 0 mole. Equilibrium 0.35 mole per liter SO3 is remaining. So at equilibrium, 0.75 minus 0.35 is reacted. So when 2 moles are here, .4 mole is remaining. This is 0.5 minus 0.35 by 2. So for 0.35 mole of SO2, half of that is needed. So this much might have been reacted. Therefore, what is remaining is 0.325 mole per liter. For every 2 moles of SO2, 2 moles of SO3 are formed. Therefore, what is formed here might have been formed there. So this much of SO3 is dissociated, means this much of SO3 might have come. So listen here, this is the amount reacted. This is the amount reacted. So what is remaining is this amount subtracted from the original concentration. So this is the concentration of SO2 remaining at equilibrium. So this amount, what happened? So this amount of SO2 is reacted. This amount might have reacted with this amount of oxygen, because 1 mole of SO2 reacts with half a mole of oxygen. Therefore, 2 mole of SO2 react with 1 mole of oxygen. Therefore, 0.35 mole of SO2 will react with 0.35 by 2 amount of oxygen, so which is 0.325. But the amount reacted here will be formed as the SO3. Therefore, 0.35 is 0.35 amount of SO3 is generated. Therefore, the Kc value is 0.35 SO3 square, concentration of SO3 square divided by 0.4 concentration of SO2 square multiplied by the concentration of oxygen 0.325. So this is equal to, if you do the calculation, you will be getting 2.35. Find out the unit for this. What is the unit for this? So here it is, mole per liter square. Here, mole per liter square. So this and this will get cancelled. What is here remaining is mole per liter. Therefore, this will be per mole liter. So that is the unit of per mole liter. So that is the unit for Kc. So every time you are doing the numerical problems, unit is very important. Per mole liter or liter per mole.